On the occasion of National Doctors' Day, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi interacted with Indian nurses working in United Kingdom, New Zealand, Australia and India as frontline workers during the COVID-19 pandemic. India celebrates July 1st as its National Doctors' Day in the memory of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. Rahul Gandhi thanked the nurses and health workers who are dedicatedly serving humanity. Rahul Gandhi said, "We don't get to say this often, but we are proud of you. Thank you all for the hard work you are doing during COVID-19 pandemic. You make India proud."
Indian nurses.
Yes, Rahulji.
Helping everybody.
Yes.
So you make us very proud, especially in this time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We don't often get to say this to you publicly, but you are representatives of our country, and you are doing us proud.
Starting the conversation, Rahul inquired Indian nurses about their experiences in fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. The nurses sharing their experiences said that testing patients is important and challenging as well. The nurses said that they have been requesting people again and again to wash their hands as frequently as possible. The health workers expressed concern especially for the people who are exposed to the front line, as an increasing numbers of doctors and nurses are testing positive for COVID-19. Indian nurses have a reputation for being hardworking and dedicated, which is why they are respected all across the world, said the nurses, adding that the image is that nurses from India are very compassionate and familial.
Indian nurses are very, very hardworking. They dedicate their life to the profession. The Indian nurses don't care about themselves. They see their patients.
COVID wards, like we've got Indian nurses in managerial roles and planning, not just on the floor, and definitely in the floor, and in the community. There's a lot of Indian nurses, and I think we are go-getters. I think in the front line, we are ready to cope in any country, in any situation, in any scenario.
Rahul Gandhi also asked the nurses what can India do to help them, to which the nurses working abroad said that staying in touch with us and talking to us is helpful. In India, they pointed out better policies to protect the medical practitioners would go a long way. The nurses said that the pandemic is a difficult time but has also helped people bring out their compassionate side and been a great learning experience. Besides Rahul Gandhi, other leaders and members of the Congress party expressed their gratitude towards the doctors and health workers through a social media campaign on the occasion of Doctors' Day.